Good morning, team. We're out at the river. You can see we are getting her cleaned out. It's Wednesday today. We are hoping to get this done tomorrow, start filling tomorrow afternoon, and have it done by Friday. That is our goal. We will see. It's a lot of water. We'll be able to have 2 hydrants on it at 2-inch. Plus we have another 2-inch that's in the pump house. We'll be able to push some water to get this thing going. We do got to do some work on the river flows. You can see there's one right there. We got to do some work on the river flows, get them ready. But right now, we can at least get some water in the river. And remember, we have to get water in the river to control that one. That's where the water for the mat racer comes from. It comes from the river. So we got to get it done. All right, team. Let's. Good afternoon, team. We are under the attraction, the kids attraction today. I'm going to be getting in here and fixing some pipes that are busted. But I also need to check these panels, make sure they're all good to go before my state inspection. You see that one's cracked down there, right there. Got to fix it up. Got a couple more over there to work on. All right, stick around. I've got the panel off. There it is right there. It is actually quite difficult to get it off because of where these are at. They're behind it. They're behind the screen because the plate's over here. Look, I'll show you. See how well this one doesn't show it, but you can see there's a nut. There's a bolt right there. Well, how do you reach the nut? Right? That's tough right there. So this is the underside of the attraction. This is where I'm at, under the red slide right there. See these white things right there? Focus right there. Okay, those guys are controlled by that valve right there. and it feeds from right there. Now, we've always had problems with this pipe. Even the attraction up in our other site that has this exact same attraction, we always have problems with this pipe popping out. We ended up putting a really heavy duty glue on this flange here, and it worked out great. This pipe is fairly new, but if we come and look, I found it a minute ago. Where is it at? Ah, there it is. See it? There it is. Yep. So this pipe is completely cracked out. If I can find a good spot where it's not cracked, I'm not gonna be able to. See right there. So this 45 is cracked out too, and so is that T. Well, no, actually that's just glue. So I don't know if I have enough bite there to get another piece on there, but I'm gonna try. If not, I'm gonna rebuild the whole thing. Ain't no thing. Down here, so these guys are under this attraction, and it was gonna be difficult to get under here. We drain everything out, but the little bit of water that gets in from rain or anything was able to actually get in there. We drained all these out. They have a cap on the bottom, see? And I can unscrew it and drain it out. Now, unfortunately, that didn't work even though we did it. What I'm thinking is a little bit of snow might have gotten in there, a little bit of the rain, the sleet, just melted in there, and when we finally had the freeze, it did that. It's gonna be fun to replace all this. I think that T's good, but you can see that piece over there, it's completely gone. That valve right there is completely gone too. These pipes make a trough, unfortunately. Water gets in there during a freeze and it's no bueno. So anyways, that's the underside of this attraction. Just wanted to give you guys an update. This is the activity pool now. She is good and cleaned up. Nice and clear. It's been like this for a few days. I just haven't had a chance to get out here and take some video. But here we go. She's ready to go. We will be pushing water to the tower here very shortly. I got some pipes repaired under the tower. Stick around, boys and girls.